trading lady.
Yeah.
Yeah, with all the measurements and all that, you have to always get it right. It's always good at lunchtime. You just get a can of Coke. Yeah. Cheers. Do you want to go out for Macca's?
Yeah.
It's on me. Okay. So what do you want?
All right. Yeah, very good. We've got the girls back again. Yeah, I was thinking of doing an update without them, but then I'm like, nah, they're the cute factor. So
Oh, yay.
got to have them in the update. So hope you guys are all doing well. It's a sunny day this Saturday, and I'm not going to mention the weather too much because we've had a rubbish week, but it's been pretty good. So that's all I'm going to say about that.
Can I actually real life open this?
Maybe later. Ask Mum. Okay, I'll have my hat back. We've been here painting all day today, and I've got paint all over me. My jumper, hat covered in paint. So come with me, girls. Let's do an update. So, first of all, the roofers have been here for a couple of days this week, and very exciting bit from the backyard to show you, because the gutterings around the back and the battens are all on, ready to go for the roof. And what's exciting is we've had a mix and match of gutterings, different colors, different sizes, different ones that work. Some of them just overflowed, some are rusted. Having this one continuous line of guttering makes me so excited. So that's all been done. What's also exciting that we've done this week is we are going to upgrade the roof on our bedroom. We weren't originally going to renovate that, but we're just doing the roof on that, so that's cool. So we've actually pulled back the big eave that we had across the bedroom there, and we're going to continue that roof along, which is very exciting as well. We should show them. What else should we show them? Let's go upstairs. We're going to have a look at the roof because the upstairs second story roof is on. And so while we're going up there, I'll show you some footage because we had the scaffolding up, and while the scaffolding was still up, I took a few shots of the roof. Looks really, really neat. Wonderful that the roof is done. We can work in the dry now and set ourselves up in the dry space. All right, the whole family's been here today because we have been, what have we been doing today? Painting. So we've got all the windows up. We dragged them all up. How did we get the windows up?
With the pulley.
With the pulley. Now, this is pretty cool. I know a few students in my class have been watching this, and in first term, we looked at simple machines. So we looked at incline planes, axles, pulleys, and this is actually an example of a simple machine. So I might get Eliza to hold it, because what we did was we held, as we tied the windows on to the hook. And so if I pull this, it drags the hook down really slowly. And so that's how we got all the windows up. So I've got some footage of that to show you later on. But all those windows are really heavy, so we pulled those up with the block and tackle. But it is pretty dark up here because the roof is on, and it's wonderful to have the roof on. Also, what's happened is we've got a whole lot of cables hanging down. So the electrician's been in, he's done a bit of a rough in of the lights. So that was exciting to have all that coming together as well. And that's all to show you at the moment. The windows will be going in hopefully soon. Let's go out the front, because out the front, we've done a lot of work this week that gives the house a bit of street appeal. So we'll head down there now and show you out the front. All right, so very excited to show you out the front of the house. So here it is. We've had some weatherboards start. The roof's on. You can see on the left-hand side there, Beck's very excited about this, and so am I. We've done the gable, the Dutch gable on the left-hand side of the house. So it's a lot of things have happened this week where it's given the front of the house a bit of a lift. So the weatherboarding was quite a long process. I didn't realise how long it would be, but the weatherboarding process requires a lot of string lining, a lot of getting it nice and level, and also once you've cut the weatherboards, we've been painting the ends to make sure that they're weatherproof and not going to rot out. And one thing I love about this too is if you look down the lines of the weatherboarding when it goes around a corner, you can see where one board finishes, the line continues. So it's just great to be able to see that. And we've also done some weatherboarding around the front here. We nearly got this bit done, but it got delayed by rain. So even just along here, it's just so detailed. I thought it'd be a nice, easy process, but it's really, really great to be able to do it that way because you just know everything's straight. So that's this week's update for you. So enjoy all the footage from the week. We've had a great time, and hopefully next week we have the roof completely finished. We've got a couple of days of no rain, but it's been great today to have a nice dry day to work on everything. So thanks again, girls, for helping out. Tradie ladies on site. And so until next time, we will...
See you later. Oh, crikey.
You alright?
Yeah.
We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Ta-da! Looks great. Beautiful.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that.
Beautiful.
Hey. Oh, round